Hi, I'm Sarab Kapoor. I'm a chef, author and a culinary consultant. Today I'm going to be making Mattar mushroom, Kashmiri style. Very simple, very tasty recipe. For this dish, I've got some sliced button mushrooms. And for this recipe, if you have canned button mushrooms in your pantry, you could use those also. So let's get started. I'll heat up some oil. So oil is heated up, I'll add some mustard seeds. As they start popping, I'll add some asafoetida, curry leaves, some tamarind, red chili powder, jaggery, a little bit of water, you have to be very quick in adding the water because you don't want the chilies to get burnt. So I'll add the green peas, some sliced mushrooms, salt. We'll cover and cook this till the green peas is cooked and the mushrooms are done. So let's check on these. Wow. Both mushrooms and green peas look cooked. Lastly, we add a little bit of garam masala. I think it's just nice. So let's do the plating. We garnish with some coriander leaves. Kashmiri Mattar mushroom vegetable is ready. It's called Khatte Meethe Khumb Mattar. Do try this recipe and leave your comments below. I'll be back with many more vegetarian and vegan recipes soon. This is Chef Sarab Kapoor. See you soon.